Do you find managing your money difficult? You're not alone. Many people struggle with financial discipline. In this video, we're breaking down the 50-30-20 rule to help you gain control over your finances. Managing your money is 90% discipline and 10% knowledge. The 50-30-20 rule forces you to budget your after-tax income. This means understanding where each dollar goes. According to this rule, 50% of your budget goes to needs. Needs are essential for life, like food and shelter. You literally cannot live without them. Next, 30% of your budget should be dedicated to wants. Wants are things that bring joy, like dining out or hobbies. They are not essential for survival, but they enhance your life. Lastly, allocate the final 20% for savings and debt repayment. This includes retirement planning and building an emergency fund. Many confuse wants with needs. Deep down, you know the difference. But sometimes it's hard to say no to your desires. Embrace a smarter lifestyle with your finances. If you're passionate about investing, personal finance, or entrepreneurship, subscribe to the channel. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. These videos aim to educate you. Always do your own research and assess risks when investing. Let's take charge of our finances together. Start implementing the 50-30-20 rule today.